Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today let's dive into the lush green paradise of Munnar, Kerala. Nestled in the Western Ghats, Munnar is a treasure trove of picturesque landscapes, sprawling tea gardens and mesmerizing waterfalls. First up, the tea gardens. Imagine waking up to endless layers of emerald green tea plantations as far as the eye can see. Rolling hills covered in neatly trimmed tea bushes, kissed by the morning mist. It's like stepping into a living painting. Don't miss a visit to the Devon Tea Museum, where you can learn all about the history and process of tea making. Plus, you get to sample some of the freshest brews right from the source. Next, let's talk viewpoints. Munnar is home to some jaw-dropping vistas. Head to Top Station for a panoramic view of the Theene Valley. Or check out the Echo Point, where you can hear your voice bouncing back to you over the serene waters. And if you're up for a bit of adventure, trek up to the Anamudi Peak, the highest point in South India. Now, waterfalls, oh, the waterfalls. Munnar is dotted with cascading beauties like Attukal, Lakam and Chinnakanal Falls. Imagine the sound of water crashing down, surrounded by lush green forests. It's pure magic. And let's not forget about the cozy stays. From luxurious resorts with stunning valley views to charming homestays where you can savor authentic Kerala cuisine. Some of my favorites are the Windermere Estate and the Spice Tree Munnar. They offer a perfect blend of comfort and nature. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and let the mountains of Munnar enchant you. Whether you're sipping tea amidst the gardens, hiking up scenic trails, or just soaking in the tranquil vibes, Munnar promises an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next destination.